What if one person alone could make a full film? 75 years of artificial intelligence was building towards exactly that. It's a one-man show now. Film studio by ImagineArt, the full language of cinema in one place for anyone. And in 2026, full AI feature films. Complete narratives beginning to the end. Someone has already proved it was possible. His name is Daud. He's 19, he's a student, and he just made a film that was an absolute banger. Hi guys, hopefully you're doing okay, hopefully you're doing fine. So it's been about a month's time since we launched ImagineArt Film Studio, and I've seen some of your films. Today, I have a special guest with me who's only 19 and made their film's first trailer. So we're gonna talk to him about the hurdles that he faced, how many challenges he had to go through, and initially how much credits did it cost. Here's Daud.
Thank you for having me, Raheel. My name is Daud, and you can call me David. Yeah, it feels pretty good knowing that you created something at this age, considering the fact that you need to have a whole big crew of man force, budget, resources, expensive sets, and etc. And I just created that on my laptop in my home.
So you're saying that it was only you, film studio, and your laptop, and that's it?
Yes, indeed. Yeah.
No costing headaches, no crew, no thousands of dollars, nothing?
Nope.
Okay, that is absolutely diabolical, I must have to say. I would also like to ask you, since movies or films usually take about 6 months to like 10 years sometimes, right? How long did it take you to create this trailer?
So being very honest, it took me around like 2 weeks to complete that.
14 days?
14 days, yes.
That's it?
That's it.
And you were able to create something in just 14 days using just 3 things, and that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Could you walk me through the process of how you initially started, which tools you used, and what was the post-production?
Initially, I had this idea in my mind for a very long time.
Okay.
And I just buried it under because I knew I couldn't do it solo because of the budget, the resources, the crews, the expensive cameras.
Yep.
I was exploring the options and I came across ImagineArt Film Studio. I poked it around a little and I noticed that you don't need all of those things. You need yourself and the idea you have in your mind. So if you're starting something this big, you don't need a production crew right now in this day and age. You need an idea.
Okay.
Yeah, and the execution is handled by the film studio.
Okay.
So I started off with the idea, I put it to a film studio, and you have your product.
Okay. So the trailer that you made, Fold, right? The Fold, basically. Could you tell me where was the inspiration from?
Basically, I'm a very big gamer fan.
Yeah, me too.
So I used to play this game called Sekiro.
Okay.
Back in 2023. It had these underlying tones of supernatural powers being given to common people and stuff like that. So I had this idea that I want to put these qualities to my idea. So basically I linked those two. So I created a mix of somewhat John Wick.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay.
With the Japanese culture thing.
All right.
So yeah, it turned out pretty good.
And I think it fits like perfectly as well. We know the
does.
world of John Wick as well. And I think lately in the entirety of the world, Japanese culture and their games and especially anime, it's been rocking through. It's been skyrocketing throughout the entire like Europe and as well as America and everything of that sort. But I would also like to ask you, and I feel like everyone sitting over here wants to ask you this one very specific question, and that is, how much did it cost you? How many credits did you have to burn through, and the final cost of this trailer?
That's a tough
I'm
one.
sorry, you've got to say it out loud to the fans, okay?
You want the honest answer?
I would appreciate the honest answer. I think everyone would.
It took me around like 450K. ImagineArt credits.
ImagineArt credits.
Yeah.
And could you like convert that into dollars for me? How much would that be?
Approximately around like 750 to 800 something USD.
That is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
Could you also break down some of the tools that you used in ImagineArt's Film Studio to create this masterpiece?
So basically, Film Studio is powered by two things mainly. The image model is Nano Banana Pro,
Yeah.
and and the video is powered by Dance 2.0.
Right.
So for the character sheets and the stills, I use the Nano Banana Pro image features. You have a lot of other features in Film Studio, such as the camera presets that you can utilize to get the results that you would normally need a full-on cinematic camera for.
Right.
So
Wow.
yeah.
That is brilliant.
Yeah. For that, I had Nano Banana Pro plus the engineered camera presets.
Wow.
For the videos, I moved it on to the timeline with Dance 2.0. It is crazy on VFX and the action part.
Could you also get into the technical side of things? Which specific lens and camera did you use to create this?
I played around a little with the camera presets that we have, and the best look I got was on the Arri Alexa.
Okay, I need to write this down.
Yeah, Arri Alexa. And furthermore, I used a combination of lenses and focal lengths for various shots, wide, close-ups. You can change that according to your liking. So yeah, that was the technical part. Thank you so much for coming over here and letting us know the insides of how much it takes. And in all honesty, I believe you've done an amazing job. And I also think that this sets a benchmark for everyone who's young, old, or just about wants to create something and put it out there in the world. Yeah, I would say the floor is open. You have the tools. Yeah. You have the ideas. Yeah. Create something. You heard straight from the man. So go ahead and go onto Film Studio and make sure to create something that amazes people, that catches their eye. And even if you don't be discouraged, because a new day is a new idea, and a new idea brings more life and more energy out in the world. Take care. This is us signing off. If you're new over here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button and the bell icon. We'll be having more filmmakers and photographers and people of different niches come over here and talk about their experiences on our tools. Also, don't forget to watch the trailer. Yeah. Take care. Peace out. Imagine Art. Signing off.